Another look at that Northrop N-9MB. Down the way here, there's Ask For It Hobbies, raffle 5 almost entirely of wood. Here's got 2 Franklin air-cooled engines powering it. Here's a nice path to the west here. Take a look at it. All you really see is the pusher props and the bubble canopy. The rest of it's just simply an airfoil. And again, originally they only built maybe 3 or 4 of those. They're built up here in Hawthorne, California by Jack Northrop. And now heading east again, the N-9MB. Again, what serves as ailerons on a normal airplane serves as the ailerons and rudder on this airplane. Because there are no vertical stabilizer surfaces, the aircraft relies on slowing one wing down and allowing the other wing to maintain speed to turn the aircraft. It's actually quite simple in concept. N-9M is being flown by Ron Hackworth, who worked for Northrop in several of their programs. A nice good look at that yellow upper surface. I was going to say upper fuselage surface, no fuselage there. Notice when he turns the aircraft, you can see the butterfly type rudders from each wing opening and closing. No different. Joey will tell you a little bit about a member-supported flight opportunity into Warburg.